Click for gear tooth profile machining. Search for GCC420 or HU64. Confirm fixture is side B. Head clamp secures the original key and locks the knob. Click the key to learn. Key learning completed. Key duplication will now commence. Clamp the HU64 key blank and tighten the knob. When the key blank cannot be clamped securely. One side machined. One side machined. Turn over and continue cutting. Key machining completed. The duplication of the HU64 key is now complete. We attempted to unlock the door with this key. Unlocking successful.